Breaking news coming in from the state of Punjab this time, where Punjab government follows centre's lead, slashes VAT rate on petrol by rupees 10 and on diesel by rupees 5. So after the official announcement coming in as a Diwali bonanza for the people of the country by the centre by slashing the excise duty on both petrol and diesel, the state of Punjab has now followed centre's lead, slashing the VAT rate on petrol by rupees 10 and on diesel by rupees 5. And remember, several of the states across the country have already announced cuts on fuel prices. Let me now go across to Amandeep, who's also joining us live. Yes, Amandeep, certainly a big announcement coming in from the Punjab government that has now decided to slash rates on petrol by rupees 10 and on diesel by rupees 5 now.
True, Richa. The point is that today Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has chaired a cabinet meeting where this decision has been taken, and in fact this consent has been taken by Punjab Finance Minister Manpreet Singh Badal, and he announced from today midnight the petrol will be cheaper by 10 rupees and diesel will be cheaper by 5 rupees. Now the rates has been slashed down by Punjab government finally. In fact, certain states has already announced following the line of union government by reducing their own state tax share on fuel prices. But now, after having a marathon discussion in the cabinet with their all council of ministers, this decision has been taken by Punjab government. And even now Punjab government is claiming that now petrol and diesel both are much cheaper as compared to Haryana as well as Delhi. Earlier Punjab was the one state who was actually fuel prices were very high, but now Punjab government is claiming that fuel will be much cheaper as compared to Haryana and Delhi. And in fact, they are also advising union government to kindly reduce more tax so that the burden should be reduced on the people. And even they are also blaming BJP government that during the tenure of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, the barrel was quite expensive of fuel, but still the prices were much down as compared to today. But today, when the union government is purchasing a barrel at around $67, now the fuel prices are touching sky heights. And in fact, they are asking BJP government to reduce more and more tax so that the burden should be reduced. But meanwhile, now they are counting this achievement on their own. They are not ready to give credit to the union government that all the states have started following the line of union government once they have started reducing the VAT on fuel, including petrol and diesel. And even this is the Congress ruled government, they still accusing BJP that BJP is still doing politics, BJP is still putting more and more burden on the people, and in fact they have potential to reduce it. But now finally the big announcement for the people is that petrol has been slashed down by rupees 10 and diesel has been slashed down by rupees 5, and that will be implemented midnight from today itself. Yes, Richa.